How do I find the time? This is the $1,000,000 question, isn't it? Because we have lives, we have work, we have things to do, and we got to take care of ourselves. How do I find the time to write my biography? Even though I really want to, I only have 24 hours in a day. I wish I had 30, but then I'd be exhausted. Yes, let me tell you, you can find the time for most things that you value. There's a simple way of doing it, and one way is to find a way to carve out bits and pieces of time consistently over several months. Okay, I don't even have a full hour free time in a day. I'm finishing work, coming home, catering to my children, making sure I'm present to listen to whatever their concerns may be, discuss issues, troubleshoot. I'm mom, I'm a counselor, I'm everything all put together in one. And then I have to go and sleep because sleep is good for me. And I have to make out time to exercise. So no, I can't even find a free hour most days. So what do? What I can do is, yes, I can find 30 minutes many days in a week. So after my kids go to bed, if I'm really efficient with my time, I could cut out 30 minutes, perhaps 3 days in a week, 30 minutes before I would fall asleep. And if I had a project, I usually would say, I schedule it, I put on my calendar. I say 30 minutes, 8:30 to 9 p.m., Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, random examples. I have 30 minutes before I sleep. I'm going to do something towards writing my autobiography. I'm going to grab my iPhone. I'm going to curl up in bed, grab my cup of tea. I'm a big tea kind of person, tea, coffee person. I'm going to sit down and dictate into my iPhone notes app. And I will work through questions from this biography writing manual available on Amazon. This is my publication, How to Write Your Family Biography. Great questions to use in gathering family history. I might say I'm going to work through this. I'm going to answer 3 or 4 pages worth of questions. And just in case you don't know, this is actually a biography writing manual with a series of questions that you answer to capture the essentials of your life story. I might decide to do that 30 minutes every day, but only 3 days in a week. The key is to be consistent, okay? Yes, life happens. There might be a week you're not able to do it. There might be a week you have an extra day. So you want to capitalize on extra time. If you have extra time, go for it. Do an hour. If you don't, try to do the 30 minutes. If you split the project into several weeks, a day at a time, in 6 months, you will have a draft. So that's the way most of us normal people who have lives to live and don't have a team of people helping us with every little thing, that's how we get things done. And when you think about it, when you were going through school or training or college or university or whatever you did, you eventually had a degree, a diploma, a certificate or something, right? But it did not happen overnight. Huge projects, everything meaningful takes time. It was one piece of homework after the other, one test after the other, little by little by little. That's how over 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 years, you finally had it all done, okay? So keep in mind, leverage the power of incremental change, carve out time, decide what time that is. Is it 30 minutes before you sleep? Is it 30 minutes over your lunch break? Is it 30 minutes in the morning before the kids are awake? Most of us can find a time in the day when we have some peace and quiet. Is it only 3 days a week? Is it only 2 days a week? It doesn't even matter. As long as you know that you've figured it out, you've carved it out, make use of it and leverage the power of incremental change. And that, my friend, is how you get a big project done. I'll see you in my next video. Hi, I'm Dr. Uche. I'm your friendly publisher, biography writing coach, book reviewer, a real life physician too. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit subscribe. That way you know when I upload new videos, share with your family and friends. Follow me on this fascinating journey as I talk all about stories on this channel, children's book read aloud sessions, fiction from across the diaspora, and tips to help you on your journey to writing your biography. You take care, and I'll see you in my next video.